what's up guys? It's me, Dan the Chicken Man, except for today I'll be Dan the Samosa Man. We got some chicken and lamb samosas, if you'd like to bring them up. Hey, here we go, here we go. Look at those beauties. Let's see, I don't know which one's which. This is gonna be an adventure. They probably don't use chicken or lamb, but yeah, that's pretty good, pretty crusty in a good way. Don't say that out of context. No, this tastes so no. Tastes better than your cooking. They don't feed me at all, by the way. Legit, they force me to make these videos just so I can eat. Terrible. Okay, time to move on to this one. I think that's chicken. I honestly can't tell which one's which, so anyway, let me give you my thoughts. Brilliant, absolutely fantastic. Thank you, great chef. You gotta try this. This better not be a slow-mo video, I swear to God. Guys, where are you? Ready, go! Camera crew! There you go. Good samosas. I don't know what to say, they're samosas. What do you expect me to say? I don't get paid for this. They're samosas. Chicken, lamb, a bunch of this like stuff. This stuff, oh jeez. Yeah, good though. Pretty good. I rate that 4 stars. 4 stars out of 5.
Subscribe to him, links in description. Dan the Chicken Man.
The Samosa Man. It's me, Dan the Samosa Man, signing out. See you later, motherfucker.